can you do that again? I'm sorry. Let's do it all the time. All right, action.
So now we're going to go into the secrets of manifestation. And in this part, I'm going to talk about the secret behind the secret. And I'm going to actually say why most of these manifestation programs fail and they get really frustrated at one point, and what information is missing, what is how all of it actually works. So for that, I want you to remember this drawing with the vortexes, with source energy projecting into the smaller unit. And I'm going to take this one vortex and put it into circles, and smaller and smaller and smaller apart. So programs out there that say that visualization basically is key when you want to manifest and so on. Speak about the importance of emotions and not just visualizing. The importance of visualizing and feeling the emotions at the same time. Why? Because when you just think a repetitive thought and you think about it over and over and over again, it doesn't actually have any impact on you unless you associate that thought with a particular emotion. So a thought is a thought. We can all think or observe or see things in our reality, but once we associate that thought with a particular emotion, then it becomes subjective, then it takes life. So, like for example, we can all look at a painting and see the image of it, and we can feel different things, we can perceive it in different ways. So even if, for example, we visualize over and over again the house and the car that we want and so on, if we visualize it and we feel, oh, I'm never gonna get this, oh, I don't deserve this, this is not possible actually for me, all these subconscious emotions that we associate what we want with, then it's never going to happen. Then we're just going to project those emotions into the desired outcome. And then the desired outcome is just going to become those emotions back again. If you want to change our environment, we have to go back to the pool of possibilities that is beyond the physical. So that means we have to raise our vibration and go back to the other, to the other dimensions and the other with possibilities. So that means, for example, going back one level up to the astral reality, to the emotional reality, and tap in to the potential that is there to manifest everything there is. So just know that if you think of something and you want to manifest that something, be sure that that something already exists and is already manifested, but in a different reality. So whatever you want is already manifesting, it already exists, it's already out there.
How do you know that?
Because everything there is exists. And everything there is already exists. All the possibilities. All the parallel realities, remember the timelines?
It allows you to make your choice.
Exactly, but you have to change your frequency in order to change the timeline, do you remember?
That's all you need to do is change the frequency.
Yes, and then you change your reality. But how do you change the frequency? So if you remember that consciousness is nothing but associations, so you project an expectation and you get back what you project. You project an expected outcome, you get it back, or a belief, and that belief reflects back to you. It is like a perfect mirror. And the emotional body is associated with the subconscious mind. So most of the time, they're not conscious thoughts or feelings, they're subconscious ones that are repetitive. And they're just parts that we have integrated them so well in our frequency that we're not aware of them anymore. They're just running like an automatic program. Like, why is it so important to remain attached? Because if you have desires and if you need to manifest yourself, then automatically you'll have needs and desires for this world. And that is perfectly normal. You can have desires and needs for this world. However, like I said, because we have to go back to source, because we have to expand our consciousness, the attaching to a certain outcome, it is like contracting the energy, it is like contracting source consciousness. So basically attaching it's like excluding any other possibility of something else to happen. Non-attachment doesn't mean that you don't desire that very thing, but non-attachment, what means is that, yes, I would like this to happen, I really want this to happen, but I know that if I stay true to the vibration of pure love and pure joy of my higher self, I'm going to get what I want and the frequency of bliss, joy and love in any form and any shape and any way. And because you think that you are going to be miserable if you don't have that certain outcome, you fear it so much, you fear that you are not going to have it, you fear that it's not going to happen for you, and therefore, instead of associating that outcome with something positive, with probability, with possibility, you're associating it itself with a fear of not having it, with a negative emotion. So it's like you're projecting already into the outcome the negative emotion,